Hey y'all, it's your girl Yana, aka Yana Dimension, back with another video. And today's video is going to be another how to apply lash clusters featuring YouLuckBeauty lashes. Anyways, let's get into this video. Okay, so I took the lashes out. It's packaging. It came with the bond and seal. This is the seal side, and then this is the bond side. I'll open them so y'all can see. This is this side, and then this is the seal side. So this is the side that you like. I'm gonna show y'all you close your lashes with, if that makes sense. I'm gonna show y'all still. They gave us tweezers to apply the lashes. Really cute. I'll take this off. Real cute, real cute. Then we also have a remover for the lashes. I'll open this for y'all. This is so you can remove your cluster lashes. Okay, y'all are a little bit closer. So first I'm going to be using the bond side. If you can tell, it's also gonna have like apply bond under, so you know which is which, because sometimes I do get confused by which is the seal, which is the bond, but it has the label right there for you. You're going to just take your eye and just like put the bond on your eye, literally, like, well, your eyelashes, not your eye, your eyelashes. And just make sure you get enough of it on your eyelashes to make sure your lashes, your clusters stay. And then after you're done applying your bond, you're just gonna wait a second for it to get tacky like I am. I'm waiting at least like 30 seconds for it to get like a little bit sticky, because you want your clusters to like stay on, if that makes sense. You don't want them to be sliding off because you applied the clusters too early and you didn't let the lash glue like get sticky. So make sure to let the lash glue get tacky, sticky, please, okay? All right, so then I'm going to go in with the manga lashes. I'm gonna open it. Oop, right, I got it open. And I'm gonna use my tweezers they gave me. And then I think I'm going to be doing like, I wanna do a 12-inch on the outside. So I'm gonna pick up my 12-inch like this. I'm gonna pick it up from the bottom, okay? We're gonna be using the 12-inch in the middle. Like that. They're already starting to look. Okay, so I just got done applying the 12-inch at the end too. You can already see like it's already looking good. And I literally only applied 2 literally clusters. Like what? Oh, we're just gonna go in with the 10. Look at that. This is eating, y'all. Like literally don't feel itchy at all. Like they're really like comfortable. Like surprisingly, I would have thought they weren't comfortable, like just because other lashes that I dealt with, but these are really comfortable, lightweight too, and it doesn't have like a hard band, if that makes sense. Like their band is literally, look, this is the band, literally you can't even see the band, literally you can't even see it, like. But we're gonna apply them in the inner corner too, to really test the cluster abilities, because y'all know the inner corner be the worst corner ever. So okay, she stayed. Okay, 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 okay. So this is one lash, and I'm gonna show you guys how I like seal my lashes too. I use the tweezers to like just press them with my real lashes, and make sure, please make sure you don't put your clusters on your waterline. That's really why they be itching. Like I can't tell you how many clusters I've been through where I learned this. Literally, don't put it on your waterline. Put it close to it, but don't put it on there, okay? You're gonna know, okay? And then I'm going to be using this seal to lock my clusters in so they don't move, because I don't like when my edges move, and I don't like when my clusters move. I don't like when my eyebrows move. So this right here, this seal is gonna help, okay? Like the big brush, if that makes sense. Get all the excess off if you have to, because it's a lot in here. They give you a lot. So just, you know, hold your lash and make sure you get like the water line. Not the water line, but you know, the part that you applied your clusters with. You know that band? Get the band part. Don't get all through it, because it's gonna make it hard. This is only to make your band hard so it can stick on, okay? All day, okay? Please. Do it just like that. We're not doing too much and we're not doing too little. Okay. You see how good those look? I'm gonna come back with my other one done as well. Alright y'all, so I'm done with my other side. It looks so good. I also added, I think, about 2 more to this side and 2 more to this side of the 10s to make them look a little bit more fuller. I love these manga lashes. These are so cute. Oh, and the kind that I got were the demon wick. These are the kind they sent me. So they're different kinds of the manga. If you don't like them this long, they're also a shorter version of this. But they are so cute. And then it also comes, literally everything I showed y'all, it comes with it, okay? The whole kit comes with tweezers, comes with the bond and seal, and also comes with the remover. Alright y'all, this is the end of this video. Hopefully y'all like the video. Also love the lashes. Don't forget to go to YouLuckBeauty.com to purchase the lashes. I got the manga demon wick lashes. Don't forget to use my code Dimension for 10% off, okay? Literally, who doesn't like saving money? So use my code, y'all. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also, follow my social medias if I have them. I'm pretty sure I do. And don't forget to shop Yana Jewelry. And yeah, bye. Love y'all.